AI can make our jobs easier, and one of the things it can do is write articles and text content for us automatically. The problem is, though, that these days we are starting to catch on to AI generated content because it looks robotic and we can sort of just tell that there's a challenge with it. Guess what, though? There's a trick that I've been using that works pretty well that maintains that human natural language. You can use Google Docs to transcribe everything you speak into a Google Doc. Then what you can do is have Google, using their embedded AI features, format to correct any grammar that is needed in that transcription. Let's try that out really quick here. So we'll highlight all the text and click this nice glowing magic button, and then we'll click casual, and then it will grab everything that you spoke and convert it. And this is fantastic. I basically wrote a paragraph without typing anything on the keyboard. The AI transcribed it, and then it corrected all my grammar, but also at the same time, it kept that human natural language aspect to it. So I can take what it gave me and then I can modify it as needed. And now using just Google Docs, I was able to automatically get started writing an article in just a few moments. And it solves that general challenge of the problem. Guess what? We can detect if the AI wrote it, and now it's a little more tricky because it's using your language. To access the voice transcription, just click Tools and Voice Typing. Click on the icon, and now it's going to start recording your voice and transcribing it to you in the Google Doc. Everything you say will be recorded into the Google Doc, and then you can use that content for any purpose. Now we don't have to type anymore. I can speak a lot faster than I can type. So we'll try it here. We'll highlight our text copy tone. We can click casual. You can also, there's other options here too. There's a lot neat, and then you can even do a custom option. Let's do formal this time and see what it comes out with. And there we go. It changed the tone slightly, keeping my normal human cadence, and I was able to get my job done a little bit quicker. AI can do a lot of our jobs today for us automatically. One of the things that it can do for us is data research. If you're familiar with ChatGPT, I recommend instead using OpenAI's Playground because you have a lot more control of what you can do. Here's a quick tip for data research perspective. Say, for example, we want to ask a question of a document. We can do that really easily by going to any page or document, copying the text, pasting it into the system column over here, and then we can ask it a question. Let's see, what options does PubNub offer to export my data? Question mark. Then the AI will go through and parse all the documentation, and you didn't have to read it. You're looking for an answer. And now the AI can read it for you and provide the answer. And look, it's giving us all the answers here, everything from the original document. And it doesn't stop there. You can put any kind of data over here in the document side, articles, web pages, things like that. Just Google Docs, maybe copy paste from a news article. You can essentially have the AI read it for you, and then you can just ask questions of things that you're interested in about that article. This is a simple trick, and it will help us on our day-to-day as we make our jobs a little bit easier going forward. Market research, artificial intelligence. I don't have to do anything now. The AI can do this for us. Something that we can do if we're in sales and marketing is when we're strategizing a way to approach a prospect, we can ask the AI to give us some ideas. For example, we have Spotify here. What we can do is copy the About Us section, head on over to the Playground, not ChatGPT, but the Playground version, which gives us a little more control, paste in the information, and then we can ask the AI to strategize with us. What are some good ways that we can sell the powerful features of PubNub to Spotify with a variety of use cases? Then the AI will start providing a whole bunch of answers for us, giving us some ideas based on this pretty good multi-user playback synchronization. With PubNub and Spotify will be able to synchronize playback across multiple devices and maybe even multiple users. Now, this is infrastructure that Spotify has built and something that they might be looking to enhance or expand. So one of the challenges with that as a product manager at Spotify is you're going to have to understand the limitations of their existing infrastructure. And now it's very possible that since they are looking to expand those capabilities and make Spotify a more capable platform, that they will have to revisit that technology, and then instead maybe they might want to use PubNub to do that. Now, that is a timing-based thing. However, if we are engaging in prospect communications, we should be able to come up with some ideas for use cases using an AI to do that for us. We could also use the AI to ask, have it do an outreach email for us. So we can say, write a short outreach email And we're interested in multi-user playback and collaborative playlists. All right, let's see what it comes out with. So the email here just says, hello, actually, but I would modify a few of these things, and it is a little long. However, it is actually creating an email that's specifically targeting use cases that might be interesting to product management and other tech folks who are actively building or owning these features and capabilities on the Spotify platform.